Real quick, guys, I know you see the cut, right? Look at it. You see the cut? Show them your cut. Look nice. Joe, show them your cut. Ooh. Real quick, I wanted to do this video real quick for you guys. We just came from the barbershop. This is something that that I wanted to share with you guys because there's a barbershop close to our house, and it costs pretty much the same price as the States, right? So Joe, come here. So the barbershop that we are used to, it's literally like $2, maybe $2.50 for everybody, for 3 heads. My head, my oldest son head, and my youngest son's head too, right? So recently we stopped at a barbershop and we asked about the price, and he said, hey, $600 for my head, which is like $12 for my head, and then for the other two it was $400, which is like I think like $2.50 or something like that. So I'm like, whoa, no, we got to go to the shop that we're used to, that costs way less than what the guy just said. So we're coming from the barbershop right now. Our taxi had an emergency that he had to handle, so he couldn't come back and pick us up. So we decided to take the bus, right? It was pretty good, but now we are in our neighborhood and we got to walk the rest of the way. Look, I didn't tell them that yet. I just told them. How you feel about taking the bus?
Good.
It was good. You gotta speak up. It was cool. We got here safe and sound. Yeah. How you feel about taking the bus? Good. Yeah. You was asleep, so it was cool for you, huh? But yeah, guys, I just wanted to share that with you guys. This is our experience. We are in a nice little area. I'll try to get some sights for you guys so y'all can see where we're at, because there's some beautiful things around. And yeah, sorry, somebody was a kid was sticking their tongue out at me, so I had to stick my tongue back. So yeah, hope all is well, and just enjoy the video. Shalom. know y'all see that. There's a McDonald's here. They have Burger King here, KFC. So, but this is a local mall. I mean, not a local mall, it's a big mall. But this is one of the malls that's close to our house that we come to a lot. That goes to go shopping and stuff and eat food and stuff like that. So, yeah. Now you got a glimpse of the mall.